Elias Lindholm got a shot away, scores! Power play goal for Lindholm when the Flames cut the lead to 2. Here's Hannaford at the line with a wrist shot. They score! Tipped in front, Monahan I think got a piece of it, and it's a 1-goal game. Back towards the corner, Neal trying to chip it free. Avalanche able to get it, and a big hit by Valimaki, forced a turnover. Gaudreau with a pass, they score! James Neal ties the game at 4. Here's Backlund in. Giordano joins the rush. Shoots! Scores! Some more third-period magic for the Calgary Flames. They take the lead 5-4. Flames have a chance for a 2-on-1. Kachuk with Frolik. Frolik scores! Sixth of the season.